Hello, I am the mechanic from the racing channel, specifically from the Race Sriracha shop in Chonburi. We have only one branch, which is in Sriracha, Chonburi. There are no other branches. Today we are with a Benz. What am I going to show you? You might ask why I need to film this. Look, this is the owner of the car coming to change the license plate frame that I'm working on. Do you see this? Normally, there would be a piece here that is black. It would come up loose, and then you could just attach the license plate frame. He said this used to be the 2005 or 3005, I can't remember. So he asked me to modify it a bit. I modified this from the last time. It's been about a year. We will take it off now, and we won't have to spend money on that black plastic. The license plate frame will stick well, but if this wire is replaced, it's okay to change it because it has turned yellow. They just said it doesn't look nice, that's all. Alright, let's take it off. This is the original one. The license plate frame is about a year old. It's starting to warp because of the plastic. Let's pull it like this. Is it still intact? Yes, it's still there. But don't pull too hard because we made a circle behind it. If it gets loose, we can take it off from the side. Should I take it off? I need to find a screwdriver to pry it open, and I thought it would come off easily. I'll put it in and pry the back of the license plate frame like this. It's really hard to get out. Okay, I've had the injection, so I'm going to turn now. Wow, it came off. Now let's take the license plate apart and remove the plate. Honestly, the back part doesn't really need to be changed. It could be left as is. But since they already bought it, we might as well change it for them too, because it has been exposed to the sun. And over time, it does show wear and tear. Here I've drilled the north side. We'll clean the license plate frame now. I'll show you the back. I won't take it apart to show the inside. I need to use this, so I have to take a 10mm socket to hold the nut. I'm using a type of nut that prevents it from coming loose. Alright, I've taken the nuts out. Let me show you this. See? I've made the nuts ready. I also made a metal leg. Do you see? Now we will put it back in place. See? This one is attached and won't come off easily, and it's hard to remove. We will take the new license plate frame, drill it, and put it in place. Let's see how it looks when we're done. This is to show you how it's done, and what method to use. It's all set. I've kicked off a new plan, and Mom, check out the line. There's a cool design, too. I'd like the license plate frame to have that cool design as well. As for the sausage plate, it's available for sale, but you'll need to make the leg yourself for the Benz. However, the license plate frame can fit any car. At the back, they provide a knock lock. For Japanese cars, we can just punch the hole without needing a drill. You can directly attach the knock lock. Alright, that's about it for the Mercedes-Benz license plate frame case. We have a way to modify it that can save you thousands, really. Please like, share, and follow the racing channel on all platforms. Just type Chang Lad La Nela or Nader Ching to find us. Every subscription helps more people get to know us. Thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.